welcome to my channel. How are you doing, guys? So this video is all about who knows me better, mom or dad?
Okay.
Okay, so this is a game for you both. I'll be asking a set of questions, maybe 10 of them, and I'll be checking who will answer most of them. Okay, that person is the winner. Okay. Yeah, and this I want to tell you. This is like whoever knows the answer first has to grab it, and then he gets the chance to answer it. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ then he can answer. Okay. So ಸೋತವರಿಗೇನು?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Yeah.
Something has to be there. ಸೋತವರಿಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಟೀ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಚಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay. Fine. So this is going to be interesting. So you guys ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Okay. So the first question. ನೋಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ?
Okay.
The first question is ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು?
Yeah.
What is the name of the song for which I first performed? ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸಾಂಗಿಗೆ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕ್ಲೂ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಕೊರಿಯೋಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಸಾಂಗು ಸಣ್ಣವರಿದ್ದಾಗ ವಿಚ್ ಐ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಗಂಗಾ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಭಾರತಿ ನಗರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್. ಸಾಂಗ್ ನೇಮ್ ಏನು? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಾಂಗ್? You know it?
I know.
Tell.
See, I was thinking my mom is going to win this game, but you should at least give a tough competition. No, you're close, Daddy.
I think
Mom,
that
you don't
is
know?
Hindi song.
Yeah, you got to guess it.
I forgot that. Yeah.
Guess it. Come on. You know it, Mom.
Yeah. I forgot here.
Come on. See, I can also.
Palguni Pathak song.
I don't think so. I don't know the singer name, but I can show you the steps. No. No.
Sorry. I don't know. I forgot.
You guys give up for the first question?
Yeah.
Mom, I expected you to answer. This is Kalyum Ka Chaman.
Oh, yeah.
Kalyum Ka Chaman, jab khilta hai.
Okay, leave it.
0.
Okay.
Yeah.
I knew it. But I
Let's
forgot
see.
that.
Let's see. So the second question. So what is one thing that I truly believe in?
God.
Which God?
Baba.
Good. You get a point. Daddy.
Yeah.
She's on the track. Okay, next question.
Yeah.
There is something without which I just cannot survive even for an hour. Even for an hour.
Pardon?
There is something without which I cannot even survive for an hour. ಒಂದು ಗಂಟೆಗೂ ನಾನು
Water.
Wow! Guys, ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ನಾನು 3 bottles I used to take to college, so I cannot stay
Live
without
without water.
No.
Yeah.
No tea.
She will not survive without water.
You're doing great. Okay, next question. This is the fourth question.
Okay.
You keep like this.
No, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂಗಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Name all the companies that I worked for. Okay, starting from first.
Dia system.
That's
Yeah.
right.
And then this one.
Don't tell.
This.
I know.
The company. The second one is the.
I know. You keep there only.
Yeah,
Come
I
on.
told one.
No, you need to answer all the companies. I'm not-
Liberty.
Good.
Wow.
Liberty Steel and Welding, LLC, okay?
And the next one is the
Don't tell.
Still looking for it. Come on, Dad.
Yes, that's what I'm worrying.
Daddy!
Keep there. Give me a chance.
Don't give up. Don't give up. Give her a
Give me
competition,
a chance.
Dad.
Do I answer? I should give me half.
You don't know the company I'm working for presently. Oh my God.
The name is there, but there's something.
Okay, I will
Okay,
tell
Mom,
you.
your turn. Come on.
First one is Dia. Second one is Liberty. Third one is Crompton. Yeah.
So 50 marks for me.
Perfect. Okay, I'll give 0.5 and 0.5. Alright. Okay. Okay, this is the most easiest one, I guess. Which is my favorite reptile and the one which I hate?
Snake.
What?
You like, na?
You should name both. My favorite and the one which I hate.
Lizard you ate, huh? And snake you like more.
She's my mom. You got it, mommy.
Ah, next. I have only 0.5.
Dad, your score is just 0.5.
Okay.
Okay? Now this is very easy, Dad. You got to do it. Which is my favorite fruit?
I know.
Your favorite fruit?
You know you should grab it.
Then
Indian fruit or
Yeah.
Indian fruit?
My favorite.
Banana. Banana.
No, wrong.
custard apple.
Perfect. Dad, you're going to lose it.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, this is the most simplest one. I want you to answer this badly. My favorite color combination.
I know.
Black and white.
No!
Give me. Black and red.
Dad! Do you even know something about me?
He told a half
Shit.
answer. That's
Half,
all.
so
Okay,
0.5.
so 0.5? 0.5.
Yeah.
No, you used to wear no sometimes black and white.
Black and red?
But favorite color is
Next. Oh,
What's happening? What's happening? You're just in 1 point.
yeah. Black tea.
without milk. Huh?
He loves tea, so he's not going to get tea today. No, you're not
No,
watching.
I didn't see. I didn't see. Okay. Not that.
Okay. There is something which I use it for 1 year and then I change it on a particular day of the year and wear it again.
Baba's bracelet.
Oh my god! Daddy! Yeah, this one.
Okay.
This is the friendship band I change every year. I tie it to Baba and then I wear his, I remove mine.
Yearly once you
Yeah,
change,
yearly
huh?
once I change. ಮುಗೀತು ಡ್ಯಾಡಿ
Ah.
ಔಟ್ ನೀವೀಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ನೀವು ಔಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಅ ಕಾಂಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಟು ಹರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 questions.
Ah.
Okay.
Okay.
There is something without which I may not even step out of my gate.
One more time. Pardon?
There is something ಏನೋ ಒಂದಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಗೇಟ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆನೂ ಕಾಲಿಡಲ್ಲ.
The motto?
No, it's not
Sandal,
a thing. No,
It's common.
no, it's not a thing.
Ah.
It is something that I wear or apply, I can say.
Lipstick.
Kajal and lipstick.
Kajal.
Oh yeah.
What did you say?
Lipstick.
Okay, that's Kajal, but I think 0.5. 0.5, 0.5. ಪಾಪ ಡ್ಯಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Daddy and
Try
the
ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
customers.
Okay, last one.
Ah.
Which is my favorite cartoon character?
Beam.
No.
Then cartoon, na?
Let him guess. Wait a minute.
Cartoon.
Yeah, cartoon. Cartoon ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು
Tom and Jerry.
No.
Ah, Mr. Bean.
Yeah.
Mr. Bean.
Yeah, Mr. Bean.
That time what you told?
Oh.
Beam. Chota Beam ಅದು.
Okay.
ಆಯ್ತು.
So I mean, enough. Daddy will answer this one. It's common.
Mom, you win.
Thank you, baby.
Okay. Black tea.
Congratulations. Mom knows me well. Every mom knows well, I guess.
Oh, you are giving hand.
You lose.
Yeah, you were correct.
I Mummy cha ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ ಇವತ್ತು
अच्छा अच्छा होती
So that's it for today, guys. I'm going to end up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be coming with more videos. Comment below if you want to see more with my parents. If you want them to be in this video, you can comment below. And also give me some topics on which I can make videos on. Alright, today's notification shout out goes to Samvik Jain, Dr. Nandi, and Pooja Patil. Thank you so much, guys, for your love and support. You guys know that I really love you all. So keep supporting me, keep loving me, and if you like this video, do subscribe, share, and comment. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.